Hi folks, the S-Tool system is one of the most cost-effective and simple ways to organize your cutting tools in a way that can really help increase your shop efficiency and decrease the time it takes to set up tools. It starts with assigning a dedicated holder for commonly used cutting tools. This can range from end mills to taps to chamfer tools to face mills and so forth. By leaving those tools set up, you save a significant amount of time having to look for the right tool, look for the right holder, and especially with things like taps and drills, looking for the right collet. Once an S-Tool is set up, it's assigned a number, and we track some of the basic information in a shared Google Sheet. That information is also populated into a Fusion 360 tool library. And what this allows us to do is leverage that Fusion library as well as the spreadsheet to program parts based on existing tools that we already know are set up. Combining that with these 28 drawer bins allows us to store in a known location everything from extra copies of the tools to dedicated hand tools, extra inserts, tool information, extra copies of the tool packaging or boxes, and it's immediately obvious what is where. The system requires almost no training for a new employee or operator to come in and understand what a tool is, where it is, what the information is, and how to get at the things you would need to replace that tool or check on more information for it. We use a label maker to print out each of the S numbers on these tool tags, and the tool tag is either attached to the tool holder itself, or once the tool goes into an ATC and a machine, the tool tag is transferred over to a 3D printed rack. This tells us what the current tool number is. And that is the ultimate solution to this, is separating the S number from the T number or the tool number. In a perfect world, it'd be great if every machine had an infinite ATC so that we could store every tool inside the tool changer. But the reality is many machines have somewhere between 10 and 40 tools, and we often need more of those tools for either a specific job or certainly across a week or month's worth of work. So by separating these S numbers and T numbers, we have confidence in what the S number is, and all it requires is the update of the offset in the T number when you go to program a job. Yes, it takes some amount of time, but it's a trade-off that we have found is well worth it, especially when combined with the fact that this allows you to track your tools and share them between machines.